Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? Yo soy Axa.
Hello.
No. Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? Yo soy Axa.
I'm James.
Y yo soy Fabiola.
And what are we gonna do today, James? Cook.
We're gonna cook some food.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on
We're in CrazyFit Meals. She is the owner, the queen, the manager,
The stuff.
the star of the healthy food in the RGB. So, Fabiola, what are we gonna do today?
Okay, today we're gonna have chicken with cream,
With the chicken.
garlic and lemon cream, and some asparagus.
Okay,
This is
so
healthy, this is nutritious, and also is keto in case you're doing the keto diet or something
okay. So in case someone wants to lose weight, we can call you and you can deliver.
like that. Yeah, I
So
can cook, I will deliver. So the only thing you have to do is open your fridge and eat. That's it.
that's it. So we're gonna do a plate. It's already cooked, right?
Yes, everything's already cooked.
Okay. So this is cooked how? Like
In the grill.
In the
And
grill.
we never use salt, so we only use herbs and everything natural.
that's it. Okay. And we're going to put chicken.
Yes. So we need to wait
Ay,
first.
Okay, lo tengo que pesar.
So what's the target?
It's
What
4
are you?
ounces.
4 ounces.
Yeah.
Okay.
4 ounces.
This is the
You're
size
over.
to lose weight.
Este. And then put it here. Right, James? It's your
Right.
turn.
Oh yes. Oh wait. 4 ounces. Okay.
4 ounces.
Put it in.
Okay, you put it there. Uh-huh.
All right.
And then the asparagus, just do a handful. Not too full.
You don't weigh those? ¿No los pesas esos?
No, eso se los echamos nada más para llenar ahí. Es suficiente. Have a cream. It's with garlic and lemon. So we're only. Ta-da. For this, we're missing the asparagus.
Okay.
And then we're gonna garnish.
There you go.
And what's asparagus here?
Must be seasoned.
Uh-huh.
This is parsley.
These little things.
It is. James está preparando pesto. Bueno, no, es pasta con
Bow tie pasta and pesto.
bow tie pasta and pesto. Yeah, just eso es. James is cooking well. Esto es histórico, señores. James doing something in the kitchen.
James legit.
Yes. Yeah, make sure everything is covered. What else are you gonna do, James?
Prepare more meals.
We are in the CrazyFit kitchen. Estamos en la cocina de CrazyFit.
Okay.
James is going to prepare another plate.
So for this, we just have to cover, the plate
Uh-huh.
like this. And then also for the vegetables, it's always, a handful.
Okay, a
So
handful.
for this plate, we're using zucchini.
Uh-huh.
So we're having a handful. Just make sure to put it pretty.
We're making art.
Yeah.
We're artists.
In Spanish,
Culinary art.
Artisticos.
It's a 4 ounces scoop. So we're just gonna
okay.
fill it out. We're gonna put open a little bit.
Okay.
And voila.
Listo.
Every week we make 5 different meals. Always depending on chicken, turkey, beef, seafood. It can be shrimp, it can be fish, or whatever exotic seafood you want.
Okay.
And also a salad. So now is the turn for the salad.
James.
Here.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna put the lettuce already washed and everything. Here, covering the plate.
Cover the plate.
And now we're gonna weigh the chicken. Also the 4 ounces. There.
Ready?
Put that. Okay. And next thing, we have boiled egg. We're gonna put a couple of cucumbers, onion, just to give it a little flavor. Also cherry tomatoes in assorted colors.
Ay, qué bonito.
Cheese and the king bacon.
Two eggs? Or two
Yes,
eggs?
it's 1 egg. This is also keto friendly in case you're doing the keto diet, and it's very good.
Yeah, looks good. Esos son los que hicieron antes.
And
2 and 2. Make it fancy, make it fancy.
yours looks
Like the
fancy.
salad.
Ahí está. Ok.
Even got a sticker in case you forget what it's called.
Life is fast. Your meal shouldn't be.
The
Oh.
Tupperware is microwave and dishwasher safe. So it
Okay.
can be reused.
Exactly. So if you're in a rush and you don't have time to cook, you just call this number. And they deliver it to you. Remember, it's all healthy stuff. Look.
Well, that's our video. Thank you for joining us.
Yes.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe today.
Bye.